If a pancake flat garden is at the top of your list, well then I've got a house to show you. 141 Western Springs Road, Western Springs. My name's Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White. Let's go and have a look. Here's a rare chance to secure a spacious character home in a sought-after spot and truly put your mark on it. This classic sits on a sun-soaked level section of 623 square metres and offers so much promise. Lovely throughout, you can comfortably move in here and start dreaming and scheming of what could be, as there are so many exciting options to explore. The already generous floor plan provides 3 double bedrooms plus a 4th single or study space, and expansive open plan living and dining flow to the north-facing decks and secure gardens. The kitchen and bathroom are great as they are, but the scope to open up the entire rear of the home is a tantalising one. Add value with confidence in this fabulous family-friendly neighbourhood and create something truly special. The convenience and popularity of this location is impossible to overestimate. Kingsland and Greyland villages are moments away where you're spoiled for choice with wining, dining, cafes and shopping. Least of all to mention Morningside. The cafes there and the fantastic transport options available all on hand. Schooling's well taken care of with your pick of Western Springs College or Mags for the teens and Mount Albert Primary for the young ones. Opportunities like this where you can add some serious value don't come along all that often, so make sure you come along on the weekend to the open homes or give us a call and arrange a private viewing.